Wow!
They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, eh. Rocky, when you're done, turn it and shoot me down. Hi, I'm Inday. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to make graham cake.
Wow!
And here are the ingredients. Crushed graham, condensed milk, blueberries, melted butter, and Nestle cream. Let's begin! Let's put butter, kids, and be careful, but little by then mix. But be careful, kids, not to spill it. Then put again butter. Then mix again. Now we're going to put this here. But be careful, kids. Set aside this. Now we'll combine the cream and condensed milk. Then we'll mix it together. Then mix. Be careful, kids. Now let's pour this here.
Oh no!
Then spread it. Sprinkle the graham on top. Now let's put the cream here. Let your mom or ate help you. Last, let's put the blueberries. I thought it's blueberries. Blueberry.
Five minutes later.
Again.
minutes later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Mommy, can I eat that note, please?
1 hour later.
Now I'm going to try and taste it. And if it's yummy. Yummy. Blueberry.
Wow!
Don't forget to like and subscribe and rise up. Bye! I love you. Thank you for watching.